Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at another aspect of the present perfect tense, which is the present perfect continuous tense. So the present perfect continuous tense is used to describe an activity that started in the past and still carrying on in the present. So as illustrated in this timeline here, you can see this timeline consists of three parts. The past, the present, and the future. So the action for present perfect continuous started in the past and it's ongoing. It is still happening up to the present. Okay, until the moment of speaking, this action or this event is still happening. So another example here, look at the sentence here. Yeah? I have been waiting for hours. So this is one of the example of a sentence in the present perfect continuous. Now let's look at how do we write these sentences. Okay, we have to first identify whether our noun is singular or is it plural. So if our noun or our subject is singular, then we have to use the word has plus been and followed by the verb and ing. So verb plus ing, this will be one word. Okay, example of a sentence here is she has been reading. So she is a singular noun, has been plus the verb read and ing. While plural noun here, you use have plus been, also the same behind verb plus ing. So we have been reading the whole week. So it's the example. So this table is similar to the one in the present perfect tense. So for I, you, we, there, we use have, and he, has, he, she, it, we use has, and been is compulsory, also ing. Okay, if you want to write the sentence in a negative form, we just have to add the word not in between have and been or has and been. Okay, so two forms. This is the positive form and this is the negative form. Alright, so we can also use the present perfect continuous tense with the word since and for in the sentences. Okay, example here. She has been crying since last night, and I have been working on the report for 2 days. So when do we use since and when do we use for? Now look at this timeline. So as I said just now, for present perfect continuous, the activity started in the past. So this moment here is the initial point where the activity happened. So if you want to talk about a time when the activity started, we use the word since. Okay, and in this point, after the word since, it has to be in past tense because this happened in the past. It has already happened. And while if we use for the word for, we use it when we want to describe duration. How long? Okay, like for here just now. I've been working on the report for 2 days. So the duration is 2 days, right? In comparison to the other sentence, the word since here indicate that this is last night is when the event started. Okay, when she started crying. Right, so that's the difference between since and for, and always remember since is followed by a simple past tense. Okay. Now in your Google Classroom, I attach an arrow identification exercise, and this arrow identification exercise is more focused because I want you to look for mistakes in the present perfect continuous tense. Alright, either the word has and have is wrongly used, or maybe missing ing, maybe after the word since, the sentence is in a wrong tense, or maybe the words since and for are used interchangeably. Okay, it's mixed up, right? So you'll have to identify those mistakes. Right, let's look at the first example here. Mickey has been studying English since he is in second grade. First thing you have to see is your subject. So have to identify whether the subject is singular or plural. Right, so Mickey, we counted it as singular. So has, this is correct, followed by the word been, correct, and the verb is study, and plus ing, so there's no mistake in front here. Yeah? English, since. Okay, since, let's look here. So after the word since, we have to use it in past tense. So he is in second grade. So the mistake is here because is used in the present tense. So in the past tense, we use the word was. Okay, so the answer would be Mickey has been studying English since he was in second grade. Right? So please note for the following questions, there might be more than one mistakes. So please pay close attention to it. Right? Good luck.